Today I'll show you how to install Blender on Windows. Before we dive in, make sure to like this video and subscribe for more helpful tutorials. First, open your web browser and go to blender.org. Once you're on the website, click the download button at the top of the page. This will take you to the download section. Blender will automatically detect your operating system. For Windows users, click the blue Download Blender button. The latest stable version will start downloading as an executable file. Once the download is complete, locate the file, usually in your Downloads folder, and double-click to run it. The installer will open. Click Next to continue, and then accept the license agreement. Now, choose the installation folder. The default location is fine for most users, so you can click Next again. On the next screen, you'll see the option to choose additional components. Leave these as default unless you have specific requirements, then click Install. The installation process will begin. It might take a minute or two. Once it's done, click Finish to close the installer. Now, let's launch Blender. Go to the Start menu, search for Blender, and click to open it. When it loads, you'll see the Blender interface ready to use. That's it. You've successfully installed Blender on your Windows computer.